everyone, welcome to another episode of Matt's Mega Mods. Today we are doing a review on this Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Wash Mop. It's like the microfiber noodle thing you wash your car with, except with a long extendable handle. Now, the Turtle Wax Car Wash Mop has a 1.3 meter handle, which extends very easily just by twisting the top part while holding the bottom part. Just like that. Okay, so let's open it up. It's a nice microfiber, very close together. A lot of them you get, they're very far away from each other, but this one's really good and compact. And it's got a swivel handle. It goes that way and that way, making it easy for when you're scrubbing like the top of a roof or something similar. It also has a removable top. In other words, you can take this off. As you can see, there's a foam pad here with lots of microfiber fibers. Then you can put this in the wash. And if you do end up washing it, make sure you use liquid detergents, because you don't exactly want the powder getting embedded in here and then you wash your car and it scratches your car. Believe me, I've had that problem with microfibers. I had put them in the wash with powder, washing powder, and it was not a good idea. So yeah, that just easily goes on. And there we go. It's on and ready to go. Now let's go and test it. Okay, well, the car's clean, sort of. See, it messes small things like indoor jams, and just like that, see? Misses stuff like that. And if you've got a very curved car like the VE, it is not ideal. It didn't come out too bad, but yeah, not the best. If you have a car that's mainly flat, with very flat surfaces, it'd be a brilliant tool, but not for a car like this. Getting the roof and all the flat surfaces, such as the boot and the hood, it's really good. But as you can see with the spoiler, how it's got a flat bit here, and it's got a lip, and goes there. Well, because of that lip, it missed all of this because it was on an angle and wiping like that. It was missing certain things, and like in there, that was missed. All that. Yeah, so for flat surfaces, it is absolutely amazing. For reaching up really high is really good. But for curved surfaces such as a VE Commodore, I mean, look at the curve. For a VE Commodore, it is not the best tool you could get. For a VE, I would just suggest just using a microfiber noodle that you put on your hand, the hand mitt. That is the best one to use so far. Alright, so that's everything. That's a review on the Turtle Wax mop, pretty much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.